The word sangoma does not mean ingoma, drums. Sa, possessor, owner. Ngoma, a secret. Uva abantu bathi hey lo muntu unengoma yakhe wenza njani angithi une secret yakhe. So isangoma is a keeper of secrets. You understand? Sangoma is a keeper of secrets. What are these secrets? Ilamaphondo nalamagono wanikiweyo. Imfihlo yokuthi phakathi kule phondo kunani. Kula muntu wakho, umuntu mntu wakho. Yintoni le mfihlo yakho olapha ngayo? Inyoka, ewe ingoma yakho leyo. Inkomo, ewe ingoma yakho leyo. Lidlozi